Hey there. So, let's talk about a common problem that many developers face. Imagine you have a file with tons of data, and you need to find specific matches based on a user-provided regex. Sounds like a challenge, right? Well, the tricky part is that the file is huge. The regex could be multi-line, and you can't bring everything into memory at once. How can you efficiently tackle this problem and ensure you find all matches with their positions in the file? Now, that's the real problem we're facing here. In terms of the solution, there's a nifty tool called the findAll method of scanner that can come to the rescue. This handy method can search for regex matches in any character stream, handling large files without loading everything into memory at once. It handles the complexity of multi-line regex and lazy evaluation, providing a seamless way to extract all matches along with their positions. The findAll method is like a hidden gem that simplifies the whole process and ensures you don't miss any matches in the file. Easy, efficient, and effective, that's the solution to our regex matching dilemma. In summary, we've unraveled the mystery behind efficiently finding regex matches in large files without loading everything into memory at once. With the findAll method of scanner, handling user-provided regex and multi-line patterns becomes a breeze. So, next time you're faced with a similar challenge, remember this solution for a smooth and hassle-free experience. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay curious and happy coding.